Feeling like your skin just won't glow no matter what product you try? The secret to radiant skin might already be hiding in your kitchen. Yes, really. In just one night, you can start seeing results with something as simple and natural as rice water. This centuries-old remedy is going viral again for a reason, and we're showing you exactly how to use it. Most skincare routines are overloaded with complicated steps and pricey products. But sometimes, the most powerful remedies are the simplest. Rice water is rich in skin-brightening vitamins, amino acids, minerals, and antioxidants that help tone, tighten, and refresh your skin, all without spending a dime on expensive serums. Rice water has been used for centuries in Asian beauty rituals, especially in Korea, China, and Japan. Women used it to wash their faces and even their hair to maintain soft, smooth, porcelain-like skin. Today, dermatologists and beauty lovers alike are rediscovering its ability to brighten skin, minimize pores, calm acne, soothe inflammation, even out skin tone. And the best part? It's gentle enough for all skin types, even sensitive or acne-prone skin. Making rice water at home is super easy. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Take half a cup of uncooked white rice. You can use jasmine, basmati, or plain white rice. Step 2. Rinse it thoroughly under cool water to remove any dirt or impurities. This step is important. You want clean rice. Step 3. Add 2 cups of clean water to the rinsed rice in a bowl. Stir gently and let it soak for 30 minutes. You'll notice the water turns cloudy. That's the good stuff. Step 4. Strain the rice and save the water. Pour it into a clean container or jar. Optional, if you want extra benefits, you can lightly ferment the rice water by letting it sit at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours before storing it in the fridge. Now here's how to actually use it. After cleansing your face at night, take a cotton pad, dip it in the rice water, and gently dab it all over your face. Don't rinse it off, just let it absorb naturally into your skin. Alternatively, you can pour the rice water into a spray bottle and use it as a refreshing facial mist. Store it in the fridge and enjoy the cooling effect. It's perfect after a long day. Use it 2 to 3 times a week or even daily if your skin responds well. Always do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Some people see noticeable glow and softness in just one night, but over time it gets even better. With regular use, rice water helps fade dark spots, reduce acne redness, and tighten skin for a more youthful appearance. Bonus tip: you can also use the leftover rice for a nourishing face mask by blending it with honey or yogurt for an added glow boost. If you're ready to ditch the chemicals and bring that natural glow back, rice water is your new best friend. No filters, no fancy creams, just one simple step that could transform your skin. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. Have you tried rice water before? Drop a in the comments and let us know your results.